Thank you for trusting me with your smile. Can you let everyone know what problems you had before and what we've done for you and how things are now?
Well, I must confess that when Jazz first suggested I have a denture and this would involve extracting all my upper teeth, I was a bit apprehensive. But my goodness, it's given my mouth a new life, and I've had a temporary denture to begin with, and then a state-of-the-art one with a metal infill, which is, I've forgotten what it's made of, but it's...
Cobalt chromium.
Cobalt chromium, that's right. And I'm so proud of it, it's absolutely wonderful.
Mahela, just...
And I've now got, I think, a Meghan Markle smile. Not quite.
Which is what you wanted.
This is what I wanted. And I found it very easy to put in and get out. And also, I've taken great care of it, obviously. And my lower teeth, on which I had not only a veneer, because they were rather discoloured, but I also had 2 Maryland bridges on either side, which are totally invisible, and which I'm very good under Jasmine wonderful tuition at cleaning and maintaining. So altogether, I'm absolutely thrilled. They always get wonderful service here at Diamond. It's a pleasure always to come to Diamond House Dentures, and now particularly to see Jasmine's beautiful baby boy on the wall.
Amazing, that's a fantastic view.